Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dreams and You. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to be sharing 3 easy drawing ideas inspired by butterflies. If you're ready to spread your artistic wings, hit that like button and let's dive in. Our first drawing idea is a simple mandala pattern butterfly. It's simple yet elegant, perfect for beginners. Start by sketching the outline of the butterfly. You can find inspiration from real butterflies or let your imagination soar. Once you're happy with the shape, fill it in with your favorite colors. I'm using Ohuha markers and feel free to get creative with patterns and designs. And there you have it, a beautiful butterfly silhouette. Let your creativity shine and make it your own. Next up, we have butterflies in a bottle. This one is all about your creativity and patterns. Start by drawing the bottle, then fill it with various patterns of butterflies, doodles, and shapes. This is a cool and relaxing way to fill your sketchbook. You have it. A simple, quick and easy drawing inspired by butterflies. Our final drawing idea combines the beauty of butterflies with the girl cartoon character. Start by lightly sketching the cartoon girl shape and give her wings. And there you have it, 3 easy drawing ideas inspired by butterflies. I hope you enjoyed spreading your creative wings with me today. If you tried any of these drawings, share them with me in the comments below. I'd love to see your beautiful creations. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep creating and spreading your wings. Bye.